Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Battlefield 2042 crashing after connecting screen. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the fixes. So here are the steps that you have to follow. The first step is to rename or delete the Battlefield 2042 folder in documents. But create a backup of this folder to desktop first, because you will lose all those saved game progress. So what you have to do, open File Explorer, go to Documents, then here you will see Battlefield 2042 game folder. So copy it first and put it on the desktop. Now once you have created the backup, right click on it. Either you can rename it or you can simply right click on it, delete it. Then follow the next step. Now rollback graphic card driver. So if you run an NVIDIA GPU, then revert drivers back to version 577.00. So you have to go to this NVIDIA website to roll back your graphic card driver. Now if you run an AMD GPU, then revert back drivers to version 25.5.1. For this you have to go to the AMD website. So I am showing the example over here. If your PC run on NVIDIA GPU, then go to this website. And now once you are on NVIDIA website, select your version of NVIDIA graphic card driver over here. Then click operating system, then click on find. Now you have to look for the older version 577. So click on view more version. Now here you will see version 577.00. So click on view, then click on download. Now once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow, and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue, then select custom advanced option and then click on next, and then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then click on next. And after the installation of graphic card driver version 577.00 is done, just restart your PC once. Now if your PC run on AMD graphic card driver, then go to this AMD website. Links are provided in the video description. Now here search for your AMD driver version and then click on search, then click on previous versions. Now here you have to look for the version 25.5.1. so this is the 25.5.1. so click on download, and once this exe file get downloaded, then run it and install it on your PC, and after the installation just restart your PC once. Now third step is to disable overlay. So what you have to do, open EA app, go to settings, go to application, now scroll down. Now in-game overlay, enable in-game overlay. If it is toggled on, then just toggle it off. Click on turn off to confirm. Now if you are on Steam, then open Steam, go to library, right click on Battlefield 2042 game, select properties. Now enable the Steam overlay while in game. If it is toggled on, then toggle it off. Now step 4 is to enable overlay in NVIDIA app. If you have the NVIDIA app, then launch it and make sure NVIDIA overlay is turned on. If it is not turned on, then toggle it on. Now if you don't have NVIDIA app, then go to this official website of NVIDIA. Link is given in video description, and download it. And after downloading it, just install it on your PC and then launch the NVIDIA app and then enable the NVIDIA overlay. Now you can launch Battlefield 2042 and the crashing issue after connecting screen will be fixed. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.